Hi everyone. So let us discuss this problem of finding simple interest. And in order to compute simple interest, we need three things. We need to know the principal amount, the rate of interest, and time in years. And if given these three things, you can simply compute the simple interest. Okay. So you might have done it in school level maths. We also know the formula for simple interest is given as principal, that is denoted using P, multiplied by rate, multiplied by time, and divided by 100. Okay. For example, if your principal is 100, the rate is 5, and the time is 2, and if you divide it with 100, so it gives you the value 10. Okay. It gives you the value 10. Now, this is what the simple interest is. Now, suppose we want to write a program or we want to write a flow chart for this problem. Let's see what steps we have to follow. So, as we discussed, the first step would always be start. Okay. The next step in most problem is to take input, because once you have the input, only then you can process your data. So, we'll take input and we will read three numbers, that is the principal, rate, and the time. Okay, so doing this step will create three buckets in the memory. Okay, so one bucket will store the principal, another bucket will store the rate, another bucket will store the time. Okay, and now we are saying that okay, we are going to process simple interest. So we are creating another bucket whose name is simple interest, and we are evaluating the value of this expression. So we are multiplying three numbers, 100, 5 and 2, dividing it with a constant, that is 100, and we are storing the result here. So that is going to store the value 10 here. Okay, so that means if we deposit 100 rupees at a 5% interest for a period of 2 years, we will get 10 rupees as a simple interest. So let's print the simple interest. That will print the value of this bucket. That 10 is printed, and here we were consuming three inputs, 100, 5 and 2. Okay, so they go as input, and this simple interest is the output, and that's it. Now we are done with the process, and hence we write the end. That's it. That is how simple it is to draw a flowchart. So I hope this problem is clear. See you in the next video.